The sled's loose. We have to act fast.
Stay calm, Rabbit. Let's think it through.
I'll steady the rig. You two figure out the next move.
If we keep pushing forward, we might lose everything.
Wait, there's a smarter route to the left. Less risk. I've got the line steady. Ready when you are.
These lines are shaking too much. We can't hold it like this.
That hook's sliding. Time's running out.
Stay calm. We can still make it work. Stay focused. One move. We need one clear move to lock it in.
Okay, I'll guide the sled into the gap. Trust me.
I'll keep the balance. You focus on precision.
It's in. The cargo's secure.
See? Watch, plan, act calmly together. It works every time.
We did it! Great teamwork, everyone.